Researching the market for a 2003 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.